It's an emotional outlet. It is a vibration. It is a vibration more than, I mean, to a great extent, you know? I mean, you can talk to me, I can talk to you as a vibration, but music is just, especially if you turn it up. When you turn music up, you know, when it gets louder.
Yeah.
It's I'm like,
Come on.
Hey, fuck you, man.
Heck, Russell Simmons been 80 years old for the last 30 years. He still looked like he could, you know, bag some young shorty. So I'm just saying.
Oh, God, yes. What did you do with Jeff?
He's not here today.
Keep it going for Patrice O'Neill.
Sure.
that's outstanding. Let me do another one. Fantastic.
Yeah. You look like a guy that likes Chinese balls.
I do.
Kidding, that's your background.
Oh, wow. So cool, you know?
Or stick. Have you ever knocked on the door of someone you don't know?
I'm just gonna be quiet for a sec and wait for him to come in.
You right up? Anyway, I want to get all the way to ask. Bitch.
Boy, killing it for you, boy. Killing it.